Hello everyone, welcome to this week's video announcements, the April Fool's edition. I promise that there won't be any jokes or fools in these announcements since they are supposed to be informational, but I thought in honor of April Fool's Day I should at least wear a silly hat for you all. So hopefully that'll help you pay attention as we get through all these real, not fool announcements. So first of all, I want to thank you for participating in Switch It Up Sunday yesterday. I really enjoyed getting a chance to do some faith formation with some of you all, and I know I heard some good things from you as well. If you have any thoughts on Switch It Up Sunday and what it was like for you, I would love to hear them. It was something new, so I'm always interested in hearing what you think of the new things we try. Today is the last day to register for the Northern New England District's Spring Assembly and Annual Meeting. It's happening this weekend, so Friday night there's a concert and then it's all day Saturday. That's the bulk of it. And it's up at the Unitarian Universalist Church in Concord, New Hampshire, so not too far away. There will be music, worship, keynote speakers, breakout sessions, food, and time to visit with other UUs. I will put a link to the registration in the comments. Again, today's the last day to register. We do have 6 delegates who are going to attend and who will be representing us at the annual meeting, but anyone is welcome to be there for the assembly, and you can learn a little bit more about what's happening in our district and across the region. So I'd really encourage you to join us if you can. Again, I'll put the link to register in the comments. Tomorrow is the next Immigrant Solidarity Vigil. These are the ongoing vigils held at the Norris Cotton Federal Building, 275 Chestnut Street in Manchester. And tomorrow at 9 a.m., Tristan and I are actually going to be leading the vigil together, which we've never done before. So I've led, but he hasn't. So we love to see some UU Nashua folks there to support us and to support our immigrant neighbors. Again, that's 9 a.m. tomorrow. I'm really excited about this Sunday. Our Board of Trustees is going to be introducing the new values, mission, and ends that they've developed from the long-range planning process in our service. So they're going to be helping me lead the service, offering some reflections on those new values, mission, and ends. And they're also going to be holding an info session afterwards about those. So if you want to talk more about them, if you have questions, if you want to hear a little bit more from the board, you can come to the service and then join us afterwards in the fellowship room at 11:30 for some more information and some time for questions. This Sunday we will also be welcoming new members in our service. So we've got several new members who have joined in the past few months, and we're going to have a chance to officially welcome them into the congregation on Sunday. So it's going to be a great day. I hope you will be there. For all of the month of April, our social justice team is going to be selling the Better World Shopping Guide during Fellowship Hour. They'll be there every Sunday except for Easter in April. We all know that some companies treat their employees well, give back to their communities, and spend some of their profits investing in the common good, and other companies don't. Have you ever wondered which companies do and don't? So that's where the Better World Shopping Guide comes in. It's a guide to how companies do in terms of treating their employees, giving back to communities, spending some of their profits, investing in the common good. And it's arranged by product type. One of our social justice team members has been using it, and she says it's totally changed the way that she shops. So this is going to be available to everyone for $5 during fellowship hour in the dining room on Sundays throughout the month of April, except for Easter Sunday again. So you can go check it out and buy one if you want. On April 13th, that's a Saturday, our UU hikers are having their next excursion to the Pine Grove Cemetery in Manchester. They'll be meeting at 10 a.m. at the Exit 7 Park and Ride. Everyone is welcome to join them for that hike. On April 14th, we've got a really fun event happening after the service called Minute to Win It. It's the Minute to Win It Team Challenge at 11:30 on Sunday, April 14th. You can bring a team of family and friends or come alone and join a team when you arrive. You will work with and sometimes against your teammates in some completely ridiculous, fun, Minute to Win It challenges. The challenges will each be explained during the event and there's no prior experience or practice required. All ages are welcome and encouraged to participate. This is a fun-filled event with activities that will get your heart racing and belly laughing. Lunch will be provided, so please RSVP to Meg Holmes at mholmes4@gmail.com by Sunday, April 7th. So that's this Sunday, so let Megan know if you're going to be there to help ensure that we have enough food for everyone who will attend. And then the following Sunday on April 21st, that's Easter, and we're going to have our annual Easter egg hunt for our children. So that's, again, after the service on April 21st. And coming up in May, to keep on the theme of fun stuff coming up, May 19th is our auction. We're calling it the Spring into Summer Party and Auction. And new this year, it's going to be happening right after our service at 11:30 up in the auditorium. So from 11:30 to 2, there'll be food, games, lots of fun people to hang out with, music by our resident DJ, Billy Parker, and of course there'll be a silent auction and bid and bump events as well. So we are going to be looking for donations and volunteers for that. And our auction team will be in the fellowship hour starting this Sunday so that you can start making donations of services to that auction and sign up to volunteer. So look for them in fellowship hour, find out more about the auction, and donate and volunteer. Coming up also in May is the UU Action Spring Summit. That's happening Saturday, May 4th from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the UU Church in Manchester. It'll be a gathering of UUs from across New Hampshire to learn, worship, and plan for our collective future. There'll be worship led by Reverend Lynn Marshall of UU Concord. There'll be workshops including by the UU College of Social Justice, by the UU Action Leadership Team, and by the American Friends Service Committee. So those are some great workshops. And a keynote address by Reverend Annie Gonzalez-Milliken, who's at the UU Church in Bedford, Mass, and has done a ton of work around immigration in the greater Boston area. Lunch and snacks will be provided. Childcare is available. They're asking for a door donation of $15 to help offset the cost of hosting the summit, but no one will be turned away for lack of funds. And one more way to connect with our larger denomination, we're still looking for a couple delegates to attend General Assembly in Spokane, Washington. That's the third week of June. And if you are interested in that, you can talk to Brenna Woods. She's recruiting delegates. She's our board vice president. And I will put a link in the comments for more information about General Assembly and about that spring summit if you want to attend either of those. That's everything for this week. If you have anything you want me to include next week, just send me an email by Monday morning and I will make sure to get it in. I hope you have a wonderful week and I hope to see you on Sunday for our board service.